Imagine crashing your expensive FPV drone straight into a wall. Your heart drops. You walk over, expecting the worst. You look at the camera, and the lens is completely scratched. In the past, this meant your flying day was over. You would have to send the drone in for a costly repair or spend hours tearing apart the camera module yourself. But what if I told you that DJI is about to change all of that forever? What if you could fix that scratched lens in less than 10 seconds, right there in the field, and keep flying? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have some massive leaks regarding the highly anticipated DJI Avata 360. DJI is getting ready to seriously shake things up. This new drone is not just about combining immersive FPV flying with stunning 360-degree video capture. It is about completely revolutionizing how we handle crashes, and more importantly, how much money we spend on replacement parts. If the latest leaks are true, DJI is finally fixing the single biggest pain point that drone pilots have faced for years. Let us dive deep into what makes the Avata 360 an absolute game-changer. First, we need to talk about the camera. FPV flying is dangerous by nature. You fly fast. You fly close to obstacles. You fly through tight gaps. Crashes are not just a possibility. They're a guaranteed part of the experience. On the original Avata, scratching the lens during a crash was a nightmare. Even though the glass could technically be replaced, it was never an easy fix. It usually required opening up the delicate camera assembly or paying for a professional repair. When the Avata 2 came out, we got better flight performance and a better camera, but the lens situation remained exactly the same. Damaged lenses still meant annoying camera module repairs. But the Avata 360 is stepping into new territory. It is entering the 360 camera space. In this space, cameras like the Insta360X5 already allow users to quickly swap out damaged lenses. It seems DJI has been taking notes, because according to recent leaks, DJI is planning to release a dedicated lens kit for the Avata 360. This kit is rumored to cost around €50. It will include 2 easily replaceable lenses and the exact tools you need to swap them out in seconds. This might sound like a small accessory, but it is actually a massive deal. The idea is incredibly simple. If you crash the drone and scratch the lens during a rough landing, you do not panic. You just unscrew the damaged lens, pop a new one on, and get right back in the air. This approach makes perfect sense for a hybrid 360 FPV drone. People will be flying this machine in very dynamic, risky environments. Having quick, user-replaceable lenses will save pilots a tremendous amount of time, money, and frustration. But the good news does not stop at the camera. Let us talk about power. FPV drones are notorious for having short battery lives, and buying spare batteries is always a painful hit to the wallet. We have some shocking leaked details about the intelligent flight battery for the Avata 360. Prepare to be surprised. The new battery is expected to cost around €70. To put that into perspective, the battery for the older Avata 2 costs roughly €100. But here's the crazy part. The Avata 2 battery has a capacity of 31.8 watt-hours. The new Avata 360 battery is rumored to pack a massive 38.6 watt-hours. Let that sink in for a moment. The new battery is noticeably larger, meaning longer flight times, but it is actually significantly cheaper. On paper, you're getting a much larger battery capacity while paying less money. This is incredibly rare. We almost never see DJI release a newer, more powerful product with cheaper accessories. If this European pricing holds true across the globe, the Avata 360 will not just be an amazing multi-purpose drone. It will also be one of the most cost-effective FPV drones to operate. Buying a stack of spare batteries will not drain your bank account anymore. DJI clearly knows they have a winner on their hands, and they are building the hype. The next major teaser for the Avata 360 is expected to drop very soon, specifically around March 12th. This tells us that DJI still has a few hidden tricks up their sleeves before the official launch day. Honestly, it would not be surprising at all if their next teaser video focuses heavily on this new lens replacement system. Imagine a high-speed video showing a crash, followed by a pilot instantly swapping the lens and taking off again. That alone would sell the drone to thousands of people. If DJI truly built the Avata 360 from the ground up with quick, easy repairs in mind, this could be the most practical and user-friendly upgrade we have ever seen in the entire Avata lineup. In my opinion, The DJI Avata 360 is shaping up to be an absolute masterpiece. DJI is finally listening to the community. They're giving us what we want. The thrill of FPV, the magic of 360 video, cheaper batteries to keep us flying longer, and a brilliant solution for broken lenses. This drone is going to make immersive flying much more accessible and a lot less stressful. You will no longer have to fly with the constant fear of breaking a permanent camera lens. You can push your limits, try new gaps, and truly enjoy the experience. I cannot wait to see what else DJI reveals in the coming days. The drone industry is about to take a massive leap forward. If you found this video helpful and want to stay updated on all the latest drone leaks and tech news, please subscribe to the channel. Share this video with your flying buddies, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Let me know in the comments below. Are you going to buy the Avata 360? Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.